Come with me to the Limes Country Lodge Hotel in the heart of the Warwickshire countryside. Today I've travelled up from Southampton as I have a conference at the NEC tomorrow and I wanted to relax ahead of my event. I was greeted to a warm and welcoming reception area and I'm here to unwind for a relaxing stay. I noticed that the Limes don't just offer hotel rooms but are versatile for events and weddings too. I'm excited to get to my room where I'm met with a home away from home, calming and relaxing environment. I even treated myself to a glass of fizz too. Plus, my room's got a lovely view overlooking the gardens and the countryside, and as the sun's shining, I'll pop to the bar for a drink. There's lots of options on offer, but today I'm going for a refreshing pint. I also noticed the great 2-for-1 offers on cocktails. I'll definitely try those next time. Time to get some food in Admiral's Bistro. Admiral's offers homemade dishes built around locally sourced ingredients. The restaurant is decked in nautical charm and a cosy atmosphere, perfect for a midweek bite to eat or even a Sunday roast on the weekend. I had a look at their evening menu and there were some standout favourites on there, so definitely worth a look. Although for me, I was fancying something sweet, so I opted for an afternoon tea today. The cakes and the sandwiches look delicious and I'm looking forward to having my hot scones in a minute. I thought I'd retreat to the garden with a good book to relax for the afternoon. There are some really beautiful grounds here at the Limes that are really perfect for any occasion. From a drink with friends in the summer to hosting outdoor events, the space is versatile for any occasion. Anyway, it's been a busy day of travelling for me and I'm ready to head to bed. I'll see you in the morning for my freshly cooked breakfast. Good night!